LF679 Drone Operation Tutorial. Unpacking the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power supply. Red light stays on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. Indicator light stays on during charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Remove protective film. Install remote control joysticks. Insert memory card. Unfold drone arms. Install drone battery. Place drone on a level surface. Press and hold to power on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The remote control will automatically pair with the drone. Wait for the video transmission connection. One-touch gyro calibration. Push the left stick up to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-touch takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Press the upper left corner speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Electric camera adjustment. Press the roll button and move the right stick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Enable headless mode. The drone will treat the remote's orientation as its rear direction. Press briefly again to disable headless mode. Enable obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop flying upon encountering obstacles. Enter fine-tuning mode. If drone drifts left, adjust right. If drifting forward, adjust backward. Press briefly again to exit fine-tuning mode. One-touch landing. Press briefly to take a photo. Press briefly to start recording. Press again to save recording. Press the return button and select File System. To view saved photos and videos, press the switch button to view recordings. Press briefly the return button to return to live feed. Connect to the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Long press to power on the drone. After download completes, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app. The transmission screen will appear. Replace propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller bolts and remove the propellers. Note the A or B markings. Install the corresponding propellers.